not stopping. It's going on forever. Hello, Hamza. And what are we doing today? Yes, we have got our science kit. And we are going to be making an what? An underwater what?
Whirlpool?
No, what are we going to make properly? Tell me. Underwater
Volcano.
what? Yeah, we're going to make this experiment here called the underwater volcano. Are you excited to get started?
Yes and no.
Let's get started. Right. So what do we need for this experiment? The underwater volcano. What do we need?
We shouldn't even do this without people.
Yeah, it's a lava lamp. Okay. We need to measure some water.
Ooh, lava
2
lamp,
drops
let's
of
do
red
that.
color. 1 scoop of baking soda. Oil and scoop of citric acid in a test tube. Are you excited for this? Let's add it. Okay, so first measure 10 milliliters of water in the measuring cylinder. So while Hamza is waiting, I'm going to get the stuff ready for him. So we need a test tube over here, and we need to have a test tube holder over here. Put a thing over there like that. See, there you go. And what else do we need? We need some oil. I think we have some oil as well. So let's get the oil here. That is, oh, this is vinegar, not vinegar. We also need some citric acid, and we also need some baking powder. Yeah, we also need some baking
I know
powder.
it's fun to try the crystal.
So you have to pour the water now into the test tube. Pour 10 milliliters into the water. Excellent. Yeah. Yes. And now we need to get some oil because it doesn't come with the kit. So we need 20 milliliters of oil. Let's use coconut oil. How about that? Alright, so now we have got the coconut oil. Put the coconut oil in the test tube. Let's do it. Alright, slowly pour it in. You have to be careful. No sudden movements. Yes, and do you notice something immediately? What do you notice? Can you see? Yeah, what is that? Do you see? Check this out. Look at that. The oil and the water do not mix.
Yes, because
See? Why doesn't it mix?
it will make fire. I think.
No, because the density of oil is different from the density of water.
Yeah, water feels like a bit more like fast, when oil feels a little more smooth.
Right. Okay. So what we have to do now is,
Good
guys,
sleep.
is no. What's step number 2? We have to add something. We have to add 2 drops of red color.
Got it.
Do it. Got it. 2 drops. Alright, we've dropped 2 drops of red color food essence inside this
Hey,
thing.
that looks so
Whoa, look at it
cool.
jumping down. What? And it's going down. That's crazy. Oh guys, we made a boo-boo. We're supposed to add the color first and then never mind, it's okay. Add 1 scoop of baking soda. Okay. We have done this experiment upside down. Right, now we're gonna add the baking soda.
Oh no.
Do it. Do it.
Again, pour it.
Come on, pour it. Right, cool. Baking soda is in. See some bubbles going on. I think now we're supposed to let's stir it.
Yeah, there's bubbles.
Let's kind of like stir it. Stir it.
Wait, I can do this.
I'll hold the base one. Yeah, there you go. Stir it. Okay.
It doesn't seem to be working.
Now let's try. Let me. I think now it's time for the citric acid. And now the child is going to pour citric acid inside this, and a reaction should happen. Pour it carefully inside. Alright, something's happening. Something's happening, guys. Something's happening. Oh, yes.
Hey,
Whoa.
tornado.
Whoa, that's insane.
Oh,
that's it. Oh, weird science. That's an experiment that's gone. Whoa, look, it's going berserk. It's really a volcano. It's an underwater volcano because you know why? The thing is coming from below. Whoa.
Oh, you can hear it popping actually.
Yeah, dude, this is incredible. Look at this. It's not stopping. It's going on forever. I almost had in my hand. Yeah, it keeps going. Oh, this is a really cool experiment. Yeah.
It looks like fizz. I want to drink it.
No, you can't drink it because it's coconut oil and water. I mean, what are you going to do with coconut oil and water?
Oh man. Okay, now let's try to make the.
Alright, what did you say it smells like?
It smells like grape.
Let me smell it. Yeah.
It
So
does.
let's figure out why did this happen. So let's read why exactly this took place. The science behind this. All right. Let's read it to you guys so you understand what I mean. Similar to the previous experiment, the bubbles of carbon dioxide are released, but in this experiment, the bubbles move slowly through the oil layer because the oil layer is thicker and stickier than water. This property of oil is called viscosity. You understand what it means?
No.
Alright, man, at least you made a try. But here you go, guys. Yeah, we did this, and we're gonna go on to our next experiment. During our experiment and after our experiment, something weird has happened. Oh, it feels weird.
Yeah, I love pressing this. Yeah.
Oh, it's kind of weird. It feels like it's blah.
It turned into ice cream, I guess.
Some kind of some kind of.
It's just
turning
like
into something.
acting like foam or something.
Yeah, but it's a bit hard.
Yeah. I guess like like lava like cools down. So
Yeah.
I guess that's how it works. Like a bit like this.
You might be right. You might be right.
Wash
Now
our hands.
you have to wash your hands. All right. So I'm gonna clean this up and we're gonna get another one, I think.